Shawty wanna make you mine. Shawty wanna make you mine. Oh yeah, yeah. Shawty wanna make you mine.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mia. If it's your first time clicking on one of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and go ahead and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And once you do that, go ahead and put in the comments hashtag Mia Mafia so I know that you are part of the gang. And yes, in today's video I am going to be just shaping up my hair. I feel like it's about time. I keep talking about it, I just need to be about it, period. So yeah, I literally just took my hair out my bonnet from, you know, last night when I went to sleep. And this is a wash and go I did the other day, so it's still pretty fresh. It's the wash and go I had did on my live with what was it, the Camille Rose. I had did that, so if you haven't seen that live, it's still up on my channel, so you can go ahead and check that out. But yeah, my hair actually looks good, and I let my hair air dry, so it's like, I don't know, I feel like it's better. I'm like, maybe I should start letting it air dry more. But I don't know, I'm just like, I really want to, you know, do a Deva cut and just shape it up. Not too much. I still am going to keep my length, but I'm gonna cut more off just the top because that part is really what's the issue, like seriously. Yeah, I'm just gonna be doing that. I'm a little nervous though, not gonna lie. But okay, so I think what I want to do, I got a little dandruff, is section off the top real quick just so I can, like, I don't know, like, y'all, I don't know what I'm doing, okay? This is not a tutorial, this is just me showing y'all what I'm doing because clearly I don't know what I'm doing. But I just want to, like, section off, like, the top part just to see what I'm working with. Like, I'm not gonna cut none of this because it already shrinks up in the back more than anything, so I'm just gonna straighten it out just so I can see how it looks. But okay, so as you can see, this side is longer than this side, but they're the same length. Like, it's the same length of hair, but this side just always shrinks up more, and I always have to pick this side out more, and it still don't end up being the same. But let me just show y'all. It's literally the same length, but this side just always shrinks up more. So I might cut a little bit off of this side just so it can be even. So I think I'm gonna cut like some of these long pieces right here. Oh, y'all can't really see. Let me zoom this out. Okay. Okay, yeah, I just got my mirror back. All right, so I think I'm gonna just cut off a little bit of this pieces right here, just so they can be a little more even. Because in the back, this piece right here is always like the longest piece, and I'm tired of that. So I think I'm just like gonna cut this. Oh shoot, y'all can't even see. I think I'm just cut this much off, just right here, because I'm trying to keep the bottom the same length. Like, I'm not really too much worried about the bottom. It's more so the top, because like all of this, it looks fine. It kind of got some layer into this. It's just when it gets to the top, it's like the top is the same length as the bottom, and it's like, I'm tired of that. Like, can we get some, you know, dimension? Okay, let's see. I feel like most of the cutting is gonna be done on this side. As y'all can see, it's like just so much longer. I know I want this crown part to not be so like this all the time. I kind of want it to go back to be like, you know, some volume back there, because literally it just always just go like this. And it's like, okay, I'm tired of that. So let me just take this piece and maybe like cut it upwards. We'll bring it up, split this. Okay, so this is a part of the back, which I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how to do this. Maybe like pull it this way and then cut it. Cut it like this. I'm about to ruin my hair. Maybe I should do it like this. And then cut this maybe. Let's see what that do. At this point, I'm just about to do it. Alright, so I pulled it from the back and I'm pulling it up so it can like layered. I think that's how you do it. Y'all do not come for me in the comments because clearly I do not know what I'm doing. But hey. It's just hair, right? Okay. Okay, what did that do? That gave it a little shape. A little something for the back. Okay. Let's see the next piece. Is it this piece? Okay. It's actually kind of good. Okay, I might be doing something, y'all. Okay, I might be doing something. It might not be a complete fail. We gonna see. But yeah, you see how long this is? Like, it's just so long. It's as long as this part. It's like, why? Why are you long? For why? For what? Okay. I think I'm gonna cut like this much. This much. Okay, we getting there. See, that's what I like. We got some shape at the top. Oh, you see how that just made it look so much more voluminous? Like, okay, girl, I see you, girl. Okay, let's do this part now. Let's see. Let's flip that over there. I feel like I'm gonna struggle more with this side, to be honest. Okay. So I'm gonna cut that much. That was kind of short, but you know. It's cute though. Yeah, I'm going for like that heart shape, layered look. You know? Let's see what we can do with this, because this is long. Bring that up here. Maybe cut this much off. A lot of hair. Okay. Don't know how I'm gonna wear it yet, but at least we're not all the same length. You know, I feel like it's gonna look a little better once I actually redo my hair, but that's cute compared to this. Like, look at the difference. Which side is cuter? This side or this side? Now, excuse the little crust right here. It's a little crusty. Ooh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. Did I really just get all that oil on my face? What is wrong with me? Okay. Now I just gotta figure out this side, because it's the shrinky shrink side. This the side that's gonna shrink up. But it's still the same length though. That's why I just be like, why you just can't cooperate?
Ryan Little.
So this side still looks shorter. Maybe I should cut more off this side. So I guess I just have to like continue to pick this side out more. We got volume now though. Okay, I might have did something good. Okay, we ain't perfect, but y'all see the vision. Y'all see it. Like, cause I see it now. Like, y'all see how that's going out like that, and that's going like okay, I think I might cut a little bit more off this side. Just a tad, maybe like right in this area. Let's see. Cause this side right here be like super freaking long. Alright. No, I ain't cut this a little bit. It's not a little bit, but see how the back looking. Oh yes, this is gonna be cute. Let's see this side. I can't really see. I need to go get my mirror. But okay, I think this is cute. What y'all think? I should have did this a long time ago. Let me make sure this side is even. I don't need to cut no more off of this side, cause let's see. Yeah, maybe like a little right here. Just a tad. And then I'll probably like make more adjustments whenever I freshly do my hair again. But dang, I feel like I want to redo my hair now. It's not fresh no more. Just messed up the curls. But okay, that's cute though. Y'all can't tell me that's not cute. It's a little long right here, but that's cause that's the length that's in the back. I gotta get my mirror to see if I really did good. Okay, y'all, so I love it. Like, I'm excited. Like, I'm ready to do my hair over, just some fresh wash and goes, just some picking out. Like I got an afro now. Like, before it was just like, now it's like, oh, she got natural hair. She's natural. She's natural. Y'all see that shape? Like my hair looks so much like I have more hair now. Like I don't know how, but it looks like I have more hair than I just had. But I love it. What y'all think? Y'all think I did a good job? Cause I feel like I did. And I ain't cut that much, so I'm show y'all all the hair I cut off. About, it's kind of a lot, but it really don't seem like it because I still got a lot of hair. I just, you know, I didn't cut the length. I didn't make it shorter or nothing like that. I just made it the shape. I'm glad. Y'all was so freaking nervous. I was just like, what if I mess my hair up? Because I've tried to cut my hair before, but I did it when my hair was wet. And I tried to cut, and it was like, girl, what did you do? What is this? So I'm like, yeah, but, oh yeah, I did good. Y'all see how it's like, okay. But yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let me know what y'all think. Y'all think I did a good job? Leave some comments down below. Let's chit chat down there. And yes, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you haven't already. And click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And once you do that, go ahead and put in the comments #MiaMafia so I know that you're a part of the gang. And while you're at it, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Only Me and Nicole. I am active over there. So yes, I guess that's it. Like, I don't really know what else to say. I'm ready to style my hair again because it's like, I feel like a whole new girl. Like, but yeah, y'all, that's it. I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.